Hello YouTube, it's your boy Mamadou. And tonight I'm trying this new POV setup for street photography tonight. I had about like 30 minutes up on this empty parking lot, so I decided why not try this up and try to see if I could make some pictures. These are some pictures I was making on my way to another angle for the car. I tried to see things that was working on this empty parking lot. I couldn't find much, so there was this beautiful dance of spark up there, and with the light and all, I was trying to find a good composition. This is the first shot I've made. Not too bad. I wish there were a lot more thing going on this rooftop, but as you can see, I was trying to do my best with what I had. And as I was walking up to my second location, I found this angle that was working good too, so I tried to make a few quick shots from here too. Struggling to find my settings, but here you go. Not bad, not bad. And I noticed also this entrance that was over there. It looks pretty nice. It was empty, kind of had this glowing light coming from inside, so I tried to make it work too. It's very hard to find the right angle when everything is just empty. Sometimes you kind of need a subject, but here I found that image came out not bad at all. And I was walking, I noticed the full moon was glowing up in the sky, and there was like these few windows that had light coming from them, so I tried to make this shot out here. I think it came out nice in black and white. Here I was trying to figure out if there was another angle that I could work out, but no. And I noticed these signs at the exit here, at the entrance of the parking lot here. I like the colors, the red, the blue, the yellow, so I was trying to figure out if I could find like a really nice composition out of here. It was pretty hard. I spent about like 1 to 2 minutes here trying to figure out what would work, change up the few angles with the lens. But I think probably these were like my favorite shot of the night. I don't know, just personally. Let me know what you think. Not bad, not bad. I tried to see also, because there was like a big road down there. I was trying to see if I could find something interesting, but like at the lower left corner, you cannot see it because of the GoPro here. But there was like a guardman, policeman, that was at the gate there, and I spotted him, so I wanted to make a quick shot of him here. Not bad. And yeah, I just realized that was it, so I started to walk back to the car to see if the charging was done. And I always wanted to make quick pictures of the stools, how do you call them, the stalls, charging stalls. They always look good at night, especially with the glowing red Tesla logo. I was trying to get one with the tail light here. This one came out pretty good. And since I didn't have much more going up on this empty parking lot, I tried to make a few more shots. I'm a sucker for red colors too. Like I love a good, nice red color. This one came out really beautiful. I don't know, you guys let me know if you guys like this kind of content. Just a POV of me walking around and taking pictures. I might not do them at night as much because the GoPro quality is not that great. I might do them like late afternoon or in the middle of the day. Here the car was keep turning it off because there was nobody inside, so I had to lock it and unlock it to get the tail lights glowing again. But yeah, as I was saying, let me know if you guys like this type of content. I might do a lot more in Tokyo, walking around doing street photography during the day. And I hope you enjoyed. Please hit up the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and yeah, hope to catch you guys later on. Please subscribe, let me know what other area you want me to check and to do some photography there. And yeah, I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.